Hey everybody, Jay Jackson here today and welcome to my channel. So as you can see behind me is a little mess right here going on in my bedroom. Anyway, so let me just drop this little nugget right here. So today's video is a power hour and it is in collaboration with some other wonderful ladies here on YouTube. And the host of this power hour is Jessica from Jessica Myros. So make sure that you check out her channel as well as all the other videos that are going to be giving you some more cleaning motivation, and it will be in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. Echo, set the timer for an hour.
1 hour, starting now.
Fast isn't always the best. Sometimes your turns makes me dizzy, but with you I don't need the contest. Like nobody is judging while we're dancing. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost.
As mentioned earlier, my name is Jay and I have decided to clean and organize some things in my room. Towards the end, I will do some small amounts of decorating. On my channel, I do cleaning, decluttering, and organizing, sprinkled with other types of content occasionally. If that interests you, then be sure to subscribe for more content. I purchased these new sheets from Walmart, a new picture frame from Hobby Lobby, as well as some storage containers to go in my room. Later on in the video, you will see me trying to decide where I want to place this picture frame that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. off camera, I decided that I did not want to leave it on the headboard that I had. I just wasn't feeling it. It wasn't feeling safe to me. So I decided eventually to just hang it on the wall. I think that'll probably look better right there. What you think? Probably up here on the wall. Okay, so I'm going to leave that like that for right now.
Finally don't get no fuss, finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say.
Alright people, so I got 7 minutes left on my timer. So I'm gonna vacuum and then I'm gonna show you what I have done. Let's close these doors and vacuum.
Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment.
time.
Alright, so I got 4 minutes left. So I'm gonna organize some of my husband's shoes. I can clearly see that they're like in disarray. So that's what we're going to do right now real quick.
I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
Alright people, so for the most part, that is my power hour for today. That timer is going to go off in any moment. I just want to thank Jessica Myros for this collaboration and hosting it and putting it all together. Be sure to check out her channel as well as the playlist of everyone else that is going to be participating in today's collab. And I'll see you guys in the next one.